What's up, guys? Welcome to the Hocus Pocus School. Today we're going to be talking about a really awesome protocol. The name of that protocol is WIZ. So if you guys want to check out WIZ, come over to wiz-protocol.com. Essentially what we're going to do today is talk about what the WIZ token is, give you guys a great introduction into the website, and talk about some cool tabs here on the main website, and maybe dive just a little bit into the purple paper on the main website. So please stay tuned to the end of this video. So starting off, checking out the website, absolutely beautiful. You can see that there's the WIZ, this is the WIZ token, but we have the Ethereum logo, and then at the middle is like a little bit of a wizard hat. It says WIZ. Absolutely awesome branding. Love the color scheme. Pretty sweet. Now, one question you might be asking yourself, what's the WIZ token? So what the WIZ token is it's a PulseChain onboarding protocol on the Ethereum network. If you hold WIZ, you have the potential to earn Ethereum or Pulse on the PulseChain ecosystem. So essentially you can buy this token and hold the token, or you can be a liquidity provider, and by doing that you're going to earn your rewards, except it's going to be on the PulseChain ecosystem. And so anyone who holds this token will be forced to go interact on the PulseChain ecosystem, which means that there's a potential that for that investor to actually start using the PulseChain ecosystem. So that's kind of the idea behind onboarding new users. So checking out some of these tabs, if you click on over here on buy, it's going to take you straight to Uniswap. It has the contract address added in, and you just purchase the WIZ token using whatever other cryptocurrency you want, ETH, stablecoin, USDT, anything. Now we have a dashboard. So over here on the dashboard, we're gonna have another video breaking down what it is, but essentially it just shows the overall token health. It gives you the price, how much money is in the treasury, how many WIZ tokens have been burnt, and all the really cool metrics to basically give you a ballpark idea of how WIZ is performing at this point in time. And so this is a really great tool that investors can use, especially if they want to know how many tokens have already been burnt and how much ETH is in the treasury. Now coming over here, we have the purple paper, and this is the heart and soul of the website. Essentially what the purple paper is, it's the white paper, and it's going to tell you everything you need to know about WIZ. And coming down to the table of contents, it talks about what is WIZ, why it's unique, breaks down the tokenomics, talks about why we are going to be launching Hocus Pocus on the PulseChain and why we're doing so much to onboard users into the PulseChain. Gets into a little bit of the treasury strategy behind WIZ and Hocus Pocus. Talks about liquidity, how you can add liquidity on the front end, what proof of post is, the on-chain wizard, WIZ and Hocus Pocus vision. Talks about the community, roadmap, how to buy, and frequently asked questions, FAQs. So I'm going to do a video on every single one of these components, so please subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot of really great information that I can give to you guys, especially if you're interested in being part of the community or investing in this project. Now coming back, if you click contract, it's going to take you over to Etherscan, where you can track, how many buys, how many sells, who adds liquidity, all the great information. And then also the coding for this project is open source, so you can actually find the coding here on Etherscan as well. So everything you need for this project can be found here. Now coming back, we have the Twitter. And so over here on Twitter, we have a very special page just for the WIZ protocol. So if you're interested in following this project, come over here and follow. A lot of great information will be released via Twitter. Twitter is the Bible cryptocurrency. So this is a social media site that you definitely want to pay close attention to, and also have an account on, especially if something's popping off in the crypto industry. Now coming back, we have the Telegram. So if you have any questions about the project protocol, you want to talk to any developers, we here at Hocus Pocus are very interactive with the community. We want to make sure we can answer every single question, reduce the amount of FUD, which is fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and also develop a really great community that wants to thrive and flourish for going into the future. And then over here at the last tab is the Hocus Pocus School, where you can come in, watch these videos, get some more information, get all the stuff you need to know. So guys, that's it for the video. I just want to do a quick video, just breaking everything down, talk about each of the components. We're going to be launching more videos, getting really deep into the purple paper and talking about the utility and the tokenomics behind the WIZ token. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so that we can keep you guys up to date with anything that's happening within the WIZ protocol space. That's it for the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.